Hey, we're Colin and Meg, and welcome back to the second video of our Guatemala series. We are storytellers of family adventures, and in the last episode, we took you to Lake Atitlan, where we got to stay in this beautiful villa surrounded by 3 volcanoes, and we got to explore the beautiful villages along the shores. After a long weekend at the lake, we drove to the city of Antigua, and this was going to be home for the next 4 nights. We are here!
Say yay!
Oh my gosh, these ferns are so beautiful. I can live in this apartment every day, forever. And now we're gonna go find some lunch. Cheers for friendship.
Tacos al pastor. My fave. We are by this cutie little restaurant. What's it called?
Fritas.
Fritas, which is right next to where we're staying in Antigua. And I'm just happy. Our Airbnb is beautiful. We've been to Antigua before and we love it here. It just feels, I'm ready to explore and eat and have fun and go shopping.
Also, if you enjoyed these videos, please hit subscribe. Thanks.
Not even Antigua can escape Starbucks, but the host of our Airbnb did say that they only use local coffee, so...
Okay, we did some walking around, but we ended up at Starbucks, but you might think, wow, real original Colin and Meg, you're at a Starbucks. Well, it's the most beautiful Starbucks in the world, and if I can't be here, sue me. So again, we booked these Airbnbs 6 months ago.
Hey, you gotta wait a second.
Okay, again, we booked these Airbnbs 6 months ago.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh my lord. Okay, we're gonna give you a tour of this Airbnb we booked 6 months ago, but when we arrived today, gosh, this place is beautiful. Let's go. This whole place is just cozy, and there's a fireplace that also leads up to the master bedroom where there is another fireplace. And guess what? I'm gonna be making a fire tonight in my bedroom. Never done that before. Cool. Got a classic looking kitchen. Let me take you upstairs. The girls have their own schoolroom. Yes, we're still doing school this week. They're doing school in there. We're not gonna give a tour. School in progress.
I just love all the rugs.
Oh my gosh.
I want to buy rugs.
Rugs. Good thing we.
I dare you to ask him if you can buy me that rug for our anniversary present.
No.
Yes.
Thank God we only packed carry-ons.
No, please.
All right, follow me. This is my favorite room of the house. Follow me. Check that out. Fireplace.
Ow,
This is our favorite room of the house. Follow me. Fireplace. Beautiful bed. Check out the ceiling. Check that out. Got a dedicated workspace. Okay.
Hold on, I'm panning to the bed.
Okay. Ouch! Bouncy. Toilet, closet, but this is the best part. Come here. On a rainy day. Wow. Do you hear that? And check out these ferns that are just thriving. Look at these beautiful ferns. That was the first thing I noticed when we came. I was like, oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. These ferns are so beautiful. The sound of the rain falling on an ancient city underneath a volcano that is clouded in fog. Gosh, it's just cozy, beautiful. Ouch, amazing. Okay, so tonight's bedtime is fireside. gonna find a little tienda to find some milk, so we're gonna make coffee, some snacks, just little things around the house. Breakfast is ready.
So it's about to rain, so we're gonna head inside the Artisan market and see if we can find any little trinkets to bring home. Okay, so we've been doing a little bit of shopping. Got a Christmas ornament, my favorite thing to get. And we've been trying to teach our children how to shop with their eyes and not with their hands. But overall, there are a lot of beautiful things here to get.
You want that one? That's not apple juice.
We came to this restaurant when we were here, just Colin and I, like, I don't know, 7, 8 years ago. So we came back to get some crepes and a smoothie, and it was a good decision.
Got the classic Nutella and bananas and strawberries. What can go wrong?
Daddy, thanks for giving us this ice cream. Ice cream!
Put it on the table. What'd you get, Livy?
Ice cream!
It's a little rainy today, so we're headed to the Chocolate Museum, and we're gonna do a class where we learn how to make our own chocolate.
You don't look happy.
What do you think? You like it?
It's like different chocolate. You like it?
But do you like it? You like it? We're heading back to our Airbnb. It's been a great day, although I am excited and hopeful that tomorrow will be a little less rain.
Just when you thought Antigua was beautiful, after 2 rainy days, we woke up to this. Here we go. Action. Good morning. We've been here for...
All right, how about you guys say good morning, we're going to breakfast.
Good morning, we're going to breakfast. Kai wants to talk. Bye.
Okay, it's been raining for 2 days. We've not seen anything above the ridge, and today we have the glorious view of blue skies and volcanoes. And you know what? We got dressed up and we're gonna go eat some breakfast with a view. We hopped on a tuk-tuk to a place called Patio de la Primera, not knowing how amazing this was gonna be.
Livy, will you come sit on my lap? Whoa!
Wow.
Oh my word.
So that is a volcano.
See?
We were just sitting here, and which one is that?
Fuego.
Fuego just bursted a huge thing of smoke as we were watching it.
Mama, it looks like a puppy face. Or human eating a sandwich.
Wow.
That's cool, y'all.
Mom.
Haven't even gotten our coffees, and Fuego is putting on a show this morning. I know there's a volcano and it's cute, we're on the roof, but the real reason we're here is because of the latte art. Check that bear out. Come on. What about this breakfast that's so good?
And Mom.
Biting into a plantain in the mornings just makes you happy. Right, Liv?
I'm eating scrambled eggs.
Next up, we took a Guatemalan cooking class because why not?
Alright guys, so today we're gonna make pepian. It's the national dish of Guatemala. Then also we are making dessert with plantains. So we're cooking the plantains right here. We're also doing atol blanco, which is a drink. We're making rice as a side dish for your pepian. And also we're making a radish salad. And last thing to do will be tortillas.
Perfect. Okay, thank you. Sí, gracias. We got the pumpkin and the carrots and the onions. I have no clue what I'm doing,
Mommy's in the video.
but we're just doing as told. This is the veggies after they've been roasted. Look at that. Cheers, Meg.
Cheers.
This smells good.
This cooking class is full on. You're gonna be making like 10 things at a time. And then we have kids to top it all off. And so we're just going.
This is good.
Do you just need more salt or no?
Maybe a little bit.
Chocolate, black beans, cinnamon, sugar. Ooh, super, like it's got a kick to it. So this is gonna go inside the plantains and we're gonna fry it. Okay, this 2-hour class comes with unlimited wine, which sounds great, but you have no time to drink the wine because you're cutting, cooking, stirring, trying, doing everything. It's intense, but so much fun. The rice is ready, the pian is ready.
Four more minutes. There you go. Bro.
Sonia taught me how to make tortillas. First, you want a golf-sized ball, right, Aldo?
Yes.
I've done this plenty of times. Make sure your hands are wet, your palms are wet, or it sticks too much. You start clapping because you're happy that you're in Guatemala. And then I think that's good.
That's perfect.
You heard it. Aldo said it's perfect. You can tell which one that's Sonia's and this is ours. Okay, because there's so much food, we invited all the cooks and the staff to come eat with us. So we're gonna feast. If you're in Antigua, you have to come to La Tortilla cooking school, meet Sonia, meet Aldo, meet all the crew here. You're gonna have a good time. Stay tuned for the next episode where we ride horses up a volcano and make pizza using the heat of the lava rock. I'm not kidding. See you next week.